Well, I tried this baking soda and vinegar boil thing that I saw on the internet, and it seemed to do a pretty good job on my bigger pan. No scratches, I put in the scratches, but did a real good job of. You had to do some scrubbing. So this is my everyday other pan, and it does, as you can see, have kind of residue look to it used and stuff. Um, so what we're doing is going to cook it up here, get the water boiling a little bit, or real warm. Add the baking soda, and then pour in gently the vinegar. And when you do, it'll froth up each time, and each time I'll stir it around and stuff like this for a while, and just kind of cook it up real good. And then take it over to the sink after it's been cooking for a while, and pour a little bit out, but not all of it. Save a little bit for scrubbing. I'm using a scrub brush kind of like that with a flat spoon because it's going to be boiling hot. You can't touch it with your fingers, but you do have to do some scrubbing. So you scrub on those yellow, brown spots all around the edges and stuff, and it'll rub out. It'll rub out pretty good, whereas it won't do that just with regular detergent. And then after all said and done, I just to give it the sheen, I just gave it a real light dab of my normal olive oil, avocado oil coating. But we're going to cook this up. This is a before and after. Let's see if I can hold it here for a minute. Okay, this is rocket scientist. I just added the exact amount of baking soda, hit or miss, and stirred it around a little bit. So now I want to show you if I can do it with one hand and the other. What happens when you add this stuff, so don't add it too fast. And so that's the cleansing action supposedly happens when you're doing that. You want to pour that in a little bit, stir it around, and then I'm going to add some more, kind of like I was cooking a soup here. So we're getting it really, I guess the skin condition of all this stuff to soak in. So let me continue this, so hold on. Okay, I've been cooking for a while still, and I'm going to let it cook for a little bit more, but don't get discouraged, or at least I shouldn't have from the first time, because I could still see through the water a little bit and see the brown still, not going away or anything. That's not when it goes away. It goes away really when you're scrubbing it, when you're actually scrubbing. It's pretty messy up here on the stove, by the way. So hold on. Okay, and this is the final project. I kind of rushed through it a little faster than I did that one up there. Just for the video's sake, probably. The back, you do the same thing too. I didn't do it very well at all, but baking soda was just scrubbing on the back to get it cleaner, and then one last little light coat of oil to make it look shiny. But hey, it sure beats the chemical process, I guess.